average speed and average velocity. You might have heard about the term speed and velocity earlier, but probably weren't able to understand why we have two words which represent the same thing. Well, let me tell you, speed and velocity are just as different as distance and displacement. If I go from point A to B to C, then we know that I have covered the distance AB plus BC, but my displacement is just AC. So now, whenever we talk about distance, we can talk about speed, and whenever we talk about displacement, we talk about velocity. Therefore, speed in this case is nothing but the total distance that I have covered divided by the total time taken. In other words, AB plus BC by T. Similarly, velocity is the total displacement by time taken, or AC by T. I hope you got the difference. Also, we normally call them as average speed and average velocity. Why? Because average speed tells me that if I travel the entire distance with this constant speed, then I will cover it in time t. But do you think that maintaining a constant speed throughout is possible? Let us take the example of Godavari Express, which takes, let's say, 10 hours to cover a distance of maybe 1000 kilometers from Visakhapatnam to Hyderabad. This train also passes through Vijayawada, which let's say is 600 kilometers from Visakhapatnam, and the train takes 5 hours to cover this. Now, according to this, the average speed of the train will be 1000 by 10 or 100 kilometers per hour between Visakhapatnam and Hyderabad. So, if the train runs at this speed, it will cover the entire distance in 10 hours. But it covers the distance from Visakhapatnam to Vijayawada in 600 by 5 or 120 kilometers per hour, and the remaining distance at 80 kilometers per hour. So, average speed just gives us a general idea. Using it, you can't say what the speed dial of the train was showing exactly at some point between Visakhapatnam and Vijayawada. Similarly, if the displacement between Visakhapatnam and Hyderabad is 500 kilometers, then the average velocity will be 500 by 10 or 50 kilometers per hour. This also is not equal to the instantaneous velocity or the velocity at an exact point. So friends, in this video, we learned about average speed and average velocity and how they are different from each other. We also learned that average speed and average velocity does not mean instantaneous speed or instantaneous velocity. Till next time, happy learning.